Bubba. Here, let him try him. Oh, Trevor. Trevor. No, he's not. Uncle.
Give me some food over here.
Oh, Uncle, hurry. Do you want to get him? Want to get him too? They're real gentle. That's it with the top. Oh, okay. We'll get up here so you can... Oh, look at that, Uncle.
I'm getting it.
Are you getting him? Are you getting him?
Just keep feeding him.
Yes, get your hand up there so we can get a picture of your hand up. Yeah. I know, look, he's spooky. Do you want to see him anyway?